Welcome back, Amiibros and Amigals, to my channel. We have a brand new Nintendo DIY, and I'm so excited because this is super simple. Anyone can do this. All you need is the washi tape, scissors, and some other materials. Overall, these are the easiest DIYs. These are all home decors, so you can display your love for Nintendo at home. So you guys know what's up. All materials are down below in the description, including the washi tape. All you have to do is click the link. It'll take you to Amazon and you can put it in your cart immediately. It is all the materials used in this video once again, so check out all the links down below, including my Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook for the pictures of all the Nintendo DIYs. If you happen to make any Nintendo DIYs, nerd DIYs, or any DIYs from my channel, definitely share pictures and videos on my Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. I definitely want to share this with the community. The first Nintendo DIY is super simple. Grab the frame and then put the washi tape on there. It was definitely one of my favorite ones. This one is a little tedious, so you're basically grabbing a candle, and it can be any candle. It really depends on the design that you want, but I chose the small ones that you actually put on candle holders. A few tips is that you want to make sure the design shows and it lays on the areas that you want it to. So here, since it was so small, I actually had to trim the bottom and the top, but I wanted to make sure Boo showed on the candle, so keep that in mind. It really depends on the design of the washi tape. Sometimes it just doesn't work, especially if it's horizontal or vertical, so there's a lot of things to take into aspect, but this was super simple and really fun. In order to actually trim it, I did use an X-Acto. You could try to use scissors, but X-Actos are just so much more accurate, or if you're feeling lazy, you can fold the bottom and just leave the top. It is totally up to you. Washi tapes are just so easy to use when it comes to DIYs because of the adhesiveness on the back, and that's why I basically applied it to pretty much every single object in my room. But it really did give my entire room character, and whenever anyone walks into my room, they will definitely see my love for Nintendo. I'm not one to actually plaster my nerdy side all over my room and home. I'm very discreet when it comes to that, and these washi tapes are so small, so it's perfect if you don't really want something too outlandish. So I think you guys know I am terrible when it comes to taking care of plants, and I have a ton of fake ones. Either way, real or fake, you can apply the washi tape onto the vase of the plant, and it gives it that little piece of character, and it just looks so cute. Yeah, it's just very simple and fun. So let me know if you guys plan on trying any of the Nintendo DIYs so far. The next one is a little bit more for kids. If you grab popsicle sticks and you put it on a vase or a container, you can actually label the popsicle stick and put the label onto the vase. That way, whatever popsicle stick is chosen, the chore will be there and they can complete that task and then move on to the next popsicle stick. I really love DIYs that have a purpose, and this is definitely one that is catered to kids, or even you if you want to keep track on what needs to be done. I have more Nintendo DIY washi tape DIYs. Ugh, that's confusing, but this is just the home decor version. I do have office supplies and fashion coming up very soon, so don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment down below what is your favorite Nintendo DIY in this video. Let me know if you'll also be attempting any of these. Please definitely follow my Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. The next Nintendo DIY is very simple, cute, but the problem is I couldn't find the wooden Polaroid frames on Amazon, but you can basically find these at any craft store. I'll try to link a couple of different ones down below in the description. They won't be the exact ones I used in the video, but they will be as good or maybe even better. So when it came to actually covering these Polaroids, I had to make sure the design fit onto the Polaroid, and it was really hard to align the design too. If you're going to cover the entire thing, you don't have to, but if you're up for the challenge, it definitely makes it look a lot more full, so try to align the design as best as possible. So the next one has a couple of extra steps versus all the other washi tape DIYs that we've seen in this video so far. You will definitely need a white sheet of paper, string, the washi tape that you want to use, and then scissors. We are making a garland basically out of the small washi tape. Again, you can design this any way you want. I decided to go with this flag look, and I decided only to use one type of washi tape. I had to use the white paper because the washi tape was definitely too see-through. So when it goes against that white background, you can actually see the design a lot better. Whatever you decide to use to cut the design out, whether it's scissors or X-Actos, please be careful. They are very sharp, and if you're not of age, definitely ask your older brother, sister, or even your parents to help you out. What you see here is very small, and I didn't, of course, use the entire string. It was just an example. If I had to go back and redo it, I wouldn't put the bullet bills so close together. Other than that, I actually really thought this was super cute. You can, once again, hang this in your room, or you can actually put it in a card for someone's birthday or a gift or whatever. I decided to actually hang this with my Polaroids that I made, and it was really cute, and now they're just chilling on my wall and everyone likes it, even Jason. Let me know on Twitter, Facebook, or Instagram if you've made anything that was Nintendo related. I would love to share it with everyone in the community. Here's a prime example of another alternative that you can do instead of the flag. I decided to make triangles, and it turned out super cute as well. Keep in mind, this is the home decor version of all the Nintendo DIY washi tapes. Please stay tuned. Don't forget to like and follow and subscribe to see more or the rest of the washi tape Nintendo DIYs. They are really cute and so easy to make, and they make really good gifts as well. Don't forget to comment down below which one is your favorite Nintendo DIY washi tape, and check out all the links, including all the materials, so you guys can make this at home. And dude, this was just so much fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as well. And if you guys have already liked and subscribed, I will definitely see you next time. Bye guys.